Got a bunch of glasses and dessert cups you don't know what to do with? Let me give you an idea. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this candle making supplies from Michael's in this little mold, and the wicks, all from Michael's. Now, I have these cute little glasses, and I'm going to put some mica, different color, in each cup. So I did one with pink. They're like little cordial glasses. Friends, I got these at a tag sale. Are you ready? Free. I was like, what? I wanted to be able to use them. So I said, why not? Let's try making candles in them. So mica's all in this. Then I'm going to put a couple of drops, just a few drops of its sweet bergamot and lemon zest. Okay. Mix it up. I did that for each of them. And then I put the wick in. Now, I'll be honest, I think it looks really cute. They almost look like straws like this, but if you're going to burn it, you don't want to do that. So I took a couple of popsicle sticks, and just so that we could hold the wick until it firmed up. Put that on the side. Now I have some more cups. I have one with orange, one with yellow, not yellow. I did have one with yellow. I have one with orange, one with blue, one with red, and I'm mixing it up. I put the scent in it. Again, I'm using lemon zest and sweet bergamot. Mix it up, and then I have this little mold, and you'll see me putting the I want to say flavor. It's not flavor. Scent. But now I'm just putting the orange in the orange, yellow with the lemon. This one is blue, and we're going to make little blueberries. Could I have put like berry scent in it? Yes, but I wanted to stick with a more natural this flavor. I keep trying to say it. No, the scent. I wanted to stay with a more natural because we have sensitivities. So I went with these, but you do what you think is best. And then the last one, see the mold? I actually brushed on mica on the strawberry leaves. And now we have the mica and the candle wax melted, mixed, and I'm pouring that into the mold. And I can't wait for you to see what it looks like. Holy Toledo. But we're going to let that set. Now here's a dessert cup I have. And I just added the scent into the actual cup, poured my melted wax in it, stirred it up, and now we're going to put our wick in, and I'm doing the same process as before. I'm going to hold it together with these sticks. Now, I didn't color this, but look at this is when it dried or it firmed up. You could just pop it out. So I don't want people to worry about their little, glasses and stuff like that, because the wax will just pop out. But look at, this is what they look like when they're all solid. Super cute, right? I mean, quit it. I love it. I don't burn candles, so I'm happy with just keeping them on the side. I did trim the wicks, and then here we go. These are the little pieces on the side that we had. So I have a lemon one, and then I have a little orange. I think that's a lemon for the yellow one. I don't know. Who knows? I'm saying it's a lemon. And then I have the blueberry. And then wait, are you ready? I can't wait to show you the strawberry. Look at the strawberry. It works so perfect. So we put them in there, and doesn't it look like a little dessert thing? I went one step further and melted the top layer just so that we could put our little fruits in and our berries in, just so that they didn't, move around when you move the cup. And look at how cute this is. I can't even, I got all these free at a tag sale, and now we get to enjoy them instead of putting them in my cabinet and not using them. Now we get to enjoy them. Oh, I love it. And they smell divine. Even without lighting them, they smell so beautiful. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.